What is up, humans? I have a bonus video, 2 videos one day while we're on the topic of Adidas. I was in Portland at Adidas a few months ago, maybe a month and a half ago. I'm not sure, I can't remember. Maybe it was April, maybe it was May. It's July. Holy crap, I haven't had time to make this video, but I got some shoes they gifted me out there, so I'm thankful to those guys. Thank you everyone at Adidas for hooking up the trip and hooking me up with these shoes. This box did not survive the travel very well, but here you go. See, I have my name on it. Look, that's just for me. And this is the Civilist ZX6001B. The Adidas ZX6000 was a shoe cherished by the guys at Civilist and I guess very popular in Berlin. So they took that model and they made some changes to it, and they just made it more like 90s skate centric. I don't think I would skate in this. I'm actually just looking forward to wearing them around just for comfort when I'm around the shop and I'm not walking around in skate shoes all day. But let's just crack these open. This is your bonus video. I've never done a bonus video, but here you go. This is the ZX6001 by Civilist in Berlin. The first thing you can see right here, if you're familiar with the ZX6000, is they removed the plastic heel cage and just did this like embossed, debossed, synthetic suede vibe on the heel to kind of make it more of a traditional skate shoe. They're going for a 90s skate shoe vibe with this thing. So boom, I don't know too much about these running shoes, but the Adidas Torsion Civilist right there on the tongue. You have your Civilist 6001 lace Dubré on there. And this is obviously synthetic suede too. I kind of prefer this material just for personal reasons, but yeah, there you go. You got this torsion bar and the instep, which I believe for running is supposed to spring you forward, and then this little impact right here, which is clear, but it has the Civilist branding in that little impact zone also. Dudes, I'm really looking forward to wearing this shoe when I'm not skating. I don't plan on skating in this. I don't think this is supposed to be a skate shoe, but definitely has a cool vibe to it. And this is my pair. It's a size 12. It runs pretty true to size. These actually may be a little big. Normally I'm an 11.5, but I never know when somebody's giving me shoes. I'm just gonna go 12 just in case that 11.5 is a little snug. So there is some art on the insole on the sock liner, but it is not removable. So it's just got some, it just looks like this. That's what's on the art. So a little different color, but that's what it is. Right, there you go. So again, like I said, this is just one of my personal pairs that I wanted to show you guys. I've been getting a bunch of running shoes lately to treat my feet better, and I'm looking forward to rocking these. There you go. That is all. This is your bonus video today, and I'm gonna wrap that up. Thank you guys for watching. All the best. Love Blue Tile, and we'll see you in the next one. Look at this. Wait, did those come with extra black laces? They just fell out. These do come with a couple of extra laces. So here's this little piped oval lace. It's got the piping down the side, and then did they come with black? Maybe these just fell out of the Tyshaws. I'm gonna go check that. So maybe it comes with black laces too. I don't know. That could have fallen out of the Tyshawn box. We're moving through it. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Guys, I've been doing discount codes at bluetilesc.com. So if you want access to the most current Adidas discount code for free shipping on Adidas product, use T2 free ship. There you go. bluetilesc.com. That's all.